Lisa Rinna, Haircut Part 3. Lisa Rinna Haircut.
Now I'm going to come from the other way, so I got to pull this up a little bit. Okay, get that off. Get this off too. Now I want to get in there. I'm going to texturize this sucker. Go in there. I'm texturizing, getting rid of some hair. Getting rid of all that extra bulk. Hair can be bulky. I'm gonna get rid of that bulk. Okay, now I'm gonna get in there. You just take the razor and you just shimmy it. You skim it. Don't take a whole thing and go like, you're just slide layering it. You're pushing it in, sliding it. That'll be so much easier to do. Okay, right there, way too much hair. I'm gonna come from behind, cutting it up. And I'm basically layering it. I'm putting lots of layers in there. Like the Lisa Rinna haircut, that baby's gonna flip right up. Right, see it? How it did it already? But now I gotta get this piece right here to do the same thing to heavier hair. That's my little granddaughter, she's inspiring me. I gotta get in here and I just gotta make some more pieces. I'm gonna go up and get that piece too. Okay, now it's gonna flip up so good. I'm so excited. I just need to do this a little more too. All right, let's make points. I need to get in there, make points. Oh my gosh, I feel so much better. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of the back too. Probably gonna pull some of this up, but let me see. This is definitely, I gotta do more right here. And basically I'm gonna do the same thing. Take it from behind, and I'm gonna take all that extra weight, and I'm gonna take it off. Look at all that hair. I don't like this a lot. Gotta take that little part off. And basically this is how you do the back. You gotta pull it from the back to the side. And then you just take all that hair off. Yeah, that's gonna look great. Now I just gotta make sure this side's okay. And just pull this out. Yeah, too much hair. I'm gonna come from underneath. And you always gotta make sure you have a new razor. That's something super important. So when you're doing your hair, make sure it's wet. I need a little more wet, and make sure you have a new razor. I just changed it and I put a new one in there. I just gotta take more off. Look at that hair. Because this side is definitely, and you check the same spots. So I have a little bit more. I need a little more on this side. Let me get in there. Just pull some more hair out. And I like balance. As long as it's balanced, yep. Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna blow dry. So easy, so good. Did you like that? My little granddaughter, she's so sweet. She's been hanging out with me the whole time while I'm doing this video. So cool. All right, now I'm gonna put some spray in there. Oh, this is my favorite spray, I'll show you. It makes it a little like moist. Hi, are you ready? Okay, now look. This is Davines, and it's called No Gas Spray. Hi, baby. Are you ready? We're gonna go eat, and I am gonna get my blonde soon. Oh yeah, love it, love it, love it. Just flip those pieces up. You want it a little wet looking. That's how Lisa Rinna wears her hair. I love that hair. Yep. And then you could take some pieces, put on your fingers, and then grab some more. So it makes it a little funner. There we go. I need to bring my little piece here, and then my little piece here, and that's it. Now I'm a happy camper. Gotta put a little in the back, and I'm good to go. All right, I need a little texture right in here. Hold on. All right, this is by our 11. Put a little texture spray right there. That's my whirl. You gotta take care of your whirl. You know the ones that separates like a cowlick in the back? Okay. And it just puts texture in that hair to make it a little fuller, a little funner, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Coach Kimmy here, and this is like the Lisa Rinna haircut. It's just flipped up, and it's really more layered, and then you have a little bit longer in the front, and kind of more spiky back here. Super fun. Anyway, have a great day.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.